Hopefully this video will explain how and why we need to round to the nearest 5 cents in our Australian monetary system. Hopefully by now you are pretty familiar with the Australian coins and notes up here. So we've got our notes, and then of course we have got our coins, which is what we're going to focus on mostly for this video. As you may have noticed, our smallest coin that we have in our monetary system is the 5 cent coin over here. And that is the reason why we need to round to the nearest 5 cents, because we do not have 1 cent or 2 cent, 3 cent or 4 cent coins available to us. That is why we need to round to the nearest 5 cents, because it is the smallest coin that we have. Now, before we talk about rounding, I just want to quickly draw your attention to this drawing down here. So there are 3 mountains. We have the pink mountain, the blue mountain, and the purple mountain. Now, these values that lie on the mountain, for example, on the pink mountain, we've got 1 and 2. Or on the blue mountain, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And on the purple mountain, we've got 8 and 9. They refer to the digit that is in the hundredths column of our place value chart when we write monetary values down. For example, if I write $7.53, we are looking at this digit here, and that is the one that we are going to find on the mountains. Now, this 753, to know if it needs to be rounded up or down, we find the 3 on the mountain, so we know that it is on the blue mountain. The blue mountain, any value that is on the blue mountain is rounded up or down to 5 cents. So this value here will become $7.55. If there was a different value, for example, and we paid $7.21 for an ice cream, we look at this value here, which is 1, that is on the pink mountain here. So that gets rounded down to 0. So this will become $7.20. If we, for example, have a very expensive ice cream that is $7.88, we again look at this last value here. That's on the purple mountain. This is going to get rounded up to 0, which means when we are rounding up and it's on the purple mountain, this is really important to remember, this value goes up. So it will become $7.90. That is why the purple mountain is really important to remember.